Hi guys! I'm so excited because I'm here to share with you my new DIY. It is these paper bag snowflakes. They're just so beautiful. They give the best texture and the best color to any wall for the holiday season. I actually love them so much I might just keep them up for spring, summer, fall. Who knows? Might never take them down. Claire, do you like them too? Alright, so just watch this DIY. It is super simple. Once you start, you won't ever stop. I think I made like 20. Yeah, I probably even would make more, but I ran out of paper bags. So watch this DIY and you can make your own paper bag snowflakes for your home.
To make your paper bag snowflakes, you're going to need 7 paper bags to begin with, and a lot of hot glue. Make sure you have extra glue sticks because you never know if you'll run out, and you'll not want to stop once you start. So take your hot glue and draw a capital T along your paper bag. Draw the top of the T along the bottom of the paper bag and a glue line right down the middle. And that's it. So keep on stacking your paper bags and keep on making the T's between each layer. So I am one of those impatient people and I want to see what it looks like so far. It looks great, the glues hold up well, so let's draw our snowflake. So I'm going to make a snowflake with long pointy pieces, so I'm going to draw kind of like a finger shape, long and thin on the top, and then bumpy on the edges. And you'll see it's not a mirror image of itself as I go along, and that's okay. Once you cut it out, you won't even tell. Now I'm going to make little triangles on the sides for a cutout, and that will give you little holes along the side of the snowflake once you open it up. Now get your best and sharpest scissors to cut out these snowflakes, and here is my beautiful snowflake. I didn't film the cutting out part because it was a little difficult, but the end result is well worth it. Just look how gorgeous this snowflake was, and we had little to no effort put into it. The best part about this project is that it's reusable. Just get 2 paper clips and paper clip the snowflake open. That way it is big and beautiful, and when you're done and ready to put away your Christmas decorations, you can just fold it back up again. So to hang up your paper snowflakes, it's going to be super simple. Just get a hole puncher to make a hole. Then you can take the paper clips that we're already using and put them through, and there is your hook. So easy, so simple, but when they're hanging on the wall, they make such a great impact. So you'll be surprised how many brown paper bags there are now. I went on Amazon and I found a larger brown one, a cute polka dot one, and small white ones. So just shop around and see what you can find, mix size and color, and it'll make a great snowflake wall. And here is mine. It is so gorgeous. It is in my living room. I had a huge blank wall, and it is just perfect for all of these different snowflakes. Have fun, guys, because no matter how you cut these paper bags, they're going to come out beautiful.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe because I have more holiday content to share. And go onto my Instagram because I share a lot of my things there first. Thanks. Bye.